Have you ever wondered how some yogis seem to effortlessly command their mind, emotions, and energy, diving deep into states of profound clarity and transformation? The secret lies in a powerful practice called Samyama, the ancient art of focused inner mastery that unlocks extraordinary dimensions of consciousness. Samyama is a Sanskrit term meaning complete integration or perfect control. It's a meditative process that combines three fundamental steps: Dharana, concentration; Dhyana, meditation; and Samadhi, deep absorption. When these three are practiced together with unwavering focus, they become Samyama, a unified act of inner stillness and insight. Unlike casual meditation where the mind wanders freely, Samyama is a deliberate, intense focusing inward that leads to heightened awareness and transformation of one's very being. In yogic philosophy, Samyama is considered a gateway to profound self-realization. It is said to cultivate the power to observe, understand, and eventually transcend the limitations of the mind and body. Through Samyama, a practitioner can explore the hidden layers of consciousness, revealing the true nature of the self, beyond thoughts, emotions, and even identity. It's not just about calming the mind, but about unlocking the inner wisdom that guides you effortlessly through life's challenges. The benefits of Samyama go far beyond ordinary relaxation. 1. Deep clarity. It sharpens your mental clarity and intuitive insight, helping you see life with fresh eyes. 2. Emotional balance. It helps dissolve inner turbulence, allowing peace to emerge even in difficult situations. 3. Increased willpower. The intense focus builds extraordinary discipline and determination. 4. Spiritual awakening. Over time, Samyama can open doors to blissful states of consciousness, a sense of unity, and liberation from suffering. 5. Manifestation power. It is believed that through Samyama, one can influence the subtle energies around them and create lasting positive change in life. Samyama is not something to rush or force. It requires patience, consistent effort, and the right inner attitude. The first step is cultivating dharana, steady concentration on a chosen object, sound, or inner experience. As concentration deepens, dhyana arises naturally, a flow state of meditation where the mind becomes absorbed in the chosen focus. Eventually, this leads to samadhi, a state where the meditator and the object of meditation merge, and only pure awareness remains. Practitioners are encouraged to approach Samyama with humility and openness, allowing the process to unfold organically without striving or attachment to results. While Samyama is an ancient yogic practice, its principles are profoundly relevant today. In a world full of distractions and noise, learning to hold your focus and dive deep within is a superpower. It can help you navigate stress, enhance creativity, and connect with your deeper purpose. Even short, daily moments of focused meditation inspired by Samyama can create ripple effects of calm and insight throughout your life. Samyama is more than a meditation. It's an inner journey to mastery. As you cultivate the power to integrate your mind, heart, and spirit into one flowing stream, you step into a space of true freedom and joy. Remember, the journey of Samyama begins with a single moment of sincere attention. Allow yourself to be present, be patient, and trust that with time, the doors to your inner universe will open. If this message resonates with you, take a deep breath and silently affirm your intention to explore the depths of your own consciousness. And if you wish to dive deeper into the world of meditation and yogic wisdom, consider subscribing for more insights like this.